Hey guys, we're back with the not 350Z. We've seen a lot of the comments. We heard you guys really like the 350Z videos. We love making them, but we kind of made them for fun, like as practice, and didn't know that we were gonna get the reception that we did. We love that car. We got some more stuff in the pipeline for you. So thank you so much for all the likes and comments. Yeah, we're looking forward to more content with that car. But we have a ton of stuff to do on this IS300. To kind of update you a little bit what happened behind the scenes since last time, since we got the lights working. We got the car on a bit more permanent set of wheels. These are some phony Advans.
It's got the sport package.
Oh yeah,
red.
Yeah, I splurged for the extras.
Woo.
Yeah, regular wheels. Oh no! Hi.
What the hell?
Yeah, so it's just kind of regular set of wheels, nothing super special about it.
Fire truck.
Pulling people over right here. Look at it.
It's fire truck in an ambulance. Okay.
As I was saying. These are just kind of regular run-of-the-mill wheels, but the offset is awesome. Like they fit perfectly. We have no rubbing like we did with the 350Z wheels.
Almost.
The tires, we got new cheapo tires on them. It drives amazingly now. We're happy with the wheels right now.
Yeah, until we get super serious with this car, this is what it'll have until we feel like spending thousands on it. But
yeah,
these are the best used marketplace tires and wheels you can possibly. Well, I think these were like eBay specials.
Yeah, I actually got these off eBay, like off
super
of, like,
cheap.
Yeah, off of like discount tires or whatever. Like so, just some Z-Techs.
Yeah, they're not permanent, but they're temporarily permanent, if that makes sense.
Yeah, but they fit. The offset's good. The it rolls now. We can drive it, and it's awesome. So that's what we're happy about. So for now, we're crossing off wheels and tires. So wheels and tires? Question mark? Yeah. The end. But the reason why we are here today in the garage is because we want to work on the tailpipe, and that's because this tailpipe is the worst. It's
just the worst.
I'm not a fan of this style where the tailpipe sits 6-8 inches off the back of the car like this. I really don't like when the material finish that they use is Home Depot fence post. It's not my favorite. And just pure straight pipe. I think we have a resonator or two down underneath this thing, but like this is a one-piece full welded all the way to the header. It's impacting the bottom of the trunk right here. It's definitely not my favorite. The previous owner, we pointed this out before, but the previous owner marked where they wanted to cut this thing and never got around to it. So that's what I initially wanted to just chop it just so it didn't stick out this much, but it drones a little bit. It's like a little obnoxious. So what I'd like to do, actually, back into my birth.
You have a second birth.
Boom, just get a muffler on it. This is an eBay special muffler. We just want to see what kind of difference it makes. We thought you guys might appreciate knowing that too. Just kind of bring it in right on, right where this is supposed to be. Chop it and put this here. Hopefully tone the sound a little bit more with an actual muffler.
We're fighting cheap with cheap.
Yes. To me, this is too class. Like we just want to clean it up just a little bit.
It's kind of all that's left.
Yeah, I like when I drive this thing out in the wild. I am starting to really love it. Like with the new suspension and the sways, it handles amazingly. With the new wheels and tires, it's very confidence inspiring. It feels really good. The only thing that kind of sucks is it's just loud. It's just very, very loud when you're in it. So to tone it down a little bit, and it looks goofy. I feel like anyone behind me thinks I'm just very special.
Half your age.
Yeah. yeah, definitely half my age driving this thing. That's the last little piece we want main piece that, to bring this back. These sirens are not
like monotone siren. Yeah, we'll be leaving the hardest part for last, interior clean.
And then we have a couple other things here. We probably touch. We'll probably retouch the front one more time with the rest of the stuff, but like we're making a great progress on this list. It's really coming together. So.
I thought it would take longer.
Yeah. Honestly, it's coming back.
It's like it's making me have to do something with this now. I thought I had more time. Got the spooks.
Oh, Spooks is chilling.
Yeah, he's like.
I forgot he moved in on top of the other.
Yeah, he has a blanket.
Where did he get that?
And a little buddy. Okay. Anyway.
So today, this thing.
That thing.
Yep. And then we're closing up on the end of stage 1 of this car, just kind of bringing it back from class. So let's get under this thing, take some measurements, and we're gonna be trying to weld. So that's the
minor details.
Yeah, minor detail. We have ourselves a Harbor Freight welder.
No. It's an Amazon one.
Oh,
completely different.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Forney for the pros.
Got ourselves a cheap welder, and as noobs, just kind of see if we can mock a muffler up onto this car.
Yeah.
So.
We're gonna practice on this, so we're experts on that.
And if we can do it, you guys can do it.
Boom.
So let's figure out if we can do it. So before we get started, we thought we'd do like a decibel test and figure out exactly how loud this pipe is before we cut it off and put the muffler on, and then we can compare the two. So first, I'll start it right now, rev it up, and we'll see exactly how loud it is. That's loud.
Got it off. Wasn't that bad.
It wasn't too bad.
Nah.
But mad props to the mofo that welded this entire thing. Oh
my gosh. Yeah, we got. That's its own piece. That's its own piece. This thing. This thing. That thing. This thing. Oh man. Look at.
This is just
Look at all that gabagoo.
That gabagoo.
Oh my gosh, and then just a cut and weld, sweet little half pipe. And then this.
Oh my. I was gonna be embarrassed about our welds today, man, but
Dude, why do we not have a sticker on this car that says built, not bought? Look at this thing.
this thing earned it.
Okay.
Sweet. And the reason that we're not just getting like an eBay cat back and just plugging that in and calling it good. This car has an aftermarket header, and the connection to go under the car is not like a standard IS300 one. So we needed a whole header, all the way, full back exhaust to make the whole system fit, or because it has like a bespoke piece on the front of this custom exhaust, we have to unfortunately reuse as much of this as we can to make our piece. So if that's making any sense, but yeah, we just if we could have used just a regular catback exhaust, we would have just done that. But working with what we're working with, we're just doing this for now. So that's that.
This is Justin, and welcome to me cutting stuff with no knowledge. Let's get to it.
Look at those welds.
Oh, just stacking dimes. Whew.
Okay, well, Justin worked his freaking magic, and we now have welded this muffler onto the thing. We just mocked up kind of where we wanted it on the pipe, cut the pipe, shoved the new one in, and tacked it up, and then we mocked it up on the car, and kind of got it where we wanted it, and then Justin dropped it back down, welded the circle, and it's looking really, really clean. Like, and you can just tell, just like right here between these, this is like, it just, like, don't you just feel better? It's a more robust piece, even as an eBay piece. So I'm excited to get it on, see what it sounds like. We still have to tag in the hanger on the muffler so that it's rock solid on the car. But we'll get it up, get that on, drop the car down, turn it on, and then we'll have our second official decibel test and see how we did. Okay, so we got it on. I think it looks so much better. Like, based on the looks alone, I think it's a win. But we got to do the sound test. We'll start it up and we'll hear it together. If it's louder, we'll get the professional decibel tester.
First drive with the new muffler,
and we can speak in our indoor voices.
Yeah,
because this thing, wide open throttle, it's way quieter.
Yeah, it definitely throws the sound away from the car. We can actually hear the cold air intake.
Yeah, you probably doesn't pick up, but we've never heard in the intake noise at all. It's been booming exhaust the entire time. So to actually hear that, it's like, yeah, it feels much more tame. You definitely still hear it. It definitely sounds good.
Mm-hmm. But it doesn't sound like it's right next to your face.
No,
it's way far away, and it's got that performance sound, but yeah, it doesn't shake your brain.
Yeah, this normally I would never go into fourth gear because of this. It would like drone right here, like to the point I couldn't even hear myself think. And right now you still hear it kind of back there, but it's not in your head like at all. As Justin says, it's like it's going away from the car
mm-hmm.
and making it way more livable. Like this is so like correct me if I'm wrong, Justin, but I think this is definitely worth the effort.
I like it. Yeah, I mean, we were starting with our own welder and everything, but they're cheap. I can't remember the price off the top of my head. $100, $200. Muffler was 40-ish.
Yep.
So, I mean, since we had the tool already, we're into this project like maybe $45. And I think it made a big difference. This thing, and of course you can't tell. I used to be able to feel the exhaust. Like, it used to just vibrate the entire interior of the car. Now it's just smooth, but now it gives off an actual performance exhaust. You could probably let people who don't know be like, yeah, this is a TRD exhaust. And they wouldn't know the difference. This thing just sounds...
Yeah, it sounds like an exhaust you would buy.
Yeah, I like it. And it's so cool actually be able to hear that intake that was on the car.
Yeah.
Just...
It's a full-throated sound. Wow, gosh.
Yeah, I'm impressed.
I'm ready to put this car like on the twisties, on the mountain roads, and like give it a real shakedown now. We've been using test road for all of our incremental improvements, but I think it's
She needs a full shakedown.
Yeah, I think it's time that, you know, we'll probably take you guys out to one of our favorite places to drive and actually give this car the beans. So, oh man, this is very cool.
Yep.
Oh, this thing is.
I'm happy with it.
Yeah, we like that. You know, we've been checking stuff off that list, and it feels like everything we check off, it just gets a little bit better, a little bit better, a little bit better. And we haven't spent that much money. We've for sure spent less than like $700 on all these repairs.
Easily under a grand. Yeah.
And it's just brought so much life back into this car. It's unreal. Man. Yeah, I am so excited to do that. So yeah, so please look out for that. We'll have that out coming for you guys soon in a little bit different style of video. But please, like, let us know what you think. Let us know what you think about the difference between like the crack pipe exhaust and our new Honey Mama. And you know, just, you know, like, comment, you know, subscribe, please. You know, please, yeah, keep reaching out to us because we're loving doing this for you guys. But thank you so much. And yeah, we'll catch you in the next one. Appreciate you.